Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your replacement image meets size and file limits. This prevents upload errors. Once logged into your DigiG account, navigate directly to Settings or your profile page and find the current avatar. Click Edit or Change Photo to open the upload dialog. If asked, choose whether to upload from device or use an external URL. Pick device for quicker control. Make sure your image is cropped as needed before confirming, because the platform may auto-resize and crop. Now upload the file you prepared. Click Select or Browse, pick the image, and allow it to finish transferring. Next, use the platform's crop, zoom, and rotate tools to position critical content, usually your face or logo, within the square frame because safe margins avoid cutoffs. Once you've adjusted, preview the result both at full size and in a mobile thumbnail if available. This ensures readability in all contexts. When satisfied, click Save or Apply to commit the change. Finish by clicking Save or Apply and wait for a success message. Refresh your profile to confirm the new photo appears. If it doesn't, check common issues. Reduce file size below 5 MB, convert to JPG or PNG, or recrop to remove metadata. Also clear your browser cache or view from a different browser to rule out caching. If problems persist, contact DigiG support and provide the device model, browser version, and the image file so they can reproduce and resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.